Hi guys, this is a simple tutorial that you can do yourself or also like make it in the salon. So I would advise that you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. Subscribe if you haven't, share the video to friends and family, and give the video a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment, like any questions you have concerning this hairstyle, you can leave it in the comment section and I will definitely reply all your questions. So yeah, how are you doing today? So for this style, I'm going to start from the very back of our head in lines, just the same way you make your not normal knotless braid. So that's what I'm going to be doing, starting from the very back of our head. We'll be box braiding the hair, but I won't be box braiding to the tip of the hair. We'll just only box braid from the root of the hair down to like the middle of the hair, and then for the tip of the hair I'm going to be attaching the extension. So just stay tuned to see how I'm going to be attaching the extension on the hair. So at this point, I'm going to allow you guys to just watch the whole process of me box braiding her natural hair. So I'm not adding any extensions, I'm not doing any difficult thing to the hair. I'm just box braiding her natural hair, and I'm box braiding it in lines like so, as you guys can see. And I'm making sure that each of the box braids are equal, like I'm not making any parts smaller than any parts. I'm just making everything equal sizes from the back of her head to the front of her head. So just stay tuned, watch so that you see how I'm going to style her hair.
Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter, make me your matter. Show me something, make me a blessing, make me a blessing. Give me one break, I need faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you.
Once I'm done box braiding, I will just move over to installing the crochet hair. And for the extension, I'll be using this Elfin hair extension. This is how it came. They sent me 2 bundles of the crochet hair with also some other stuffs, like some other goodies in the bag. So inside the bag, they sent me a bonnet. They also sent me a transparent cap, and I also found like 2 flyers and like the pamphlet of the hair details, more details of the hair, the company reviews, and also products that you can also use on the hair as well as buy from them as well. The inside the bag, I also found a crochet pin and also a brush for the edges. So moving up close, this is what the hair looks like. A very soft, very lush. The texture of the hair is super soft, like I love it. The coil pattern is totally different from every other coil pattern you've been seeing here. Like this is so beautiful. I love the hair, I love the coil pattern, and with the fact that it's very lush, like very soft, it does not have any funny smell, and they made it in such a way that it will be very easy for you to install. All right, here I'm just showing you how to open up the rings that came with the hair. To install the hair, the first thing is just to install the hair That's the extension of the hair on the tip of the hair. Hope you guys get it because I'm saying so many tip of the hair instead of the hair. Hope you guys get it. So it's just to attach the extension on the tip of the hair and box braid down to the very last tip of her natural hair, and I'm just going to leave it that way. I'm not going to tie it because her hair is actually, I'm not going to tie a knot because her hair is natural hair. So if you have natural hair, you can just, once you get to the very tip of the hair, you can just release it, just leave it, it won't loosen. And to attach this, we just place the extension on the box braid. That's the side. I will just place it on the box braid side by side like this, and then continue to box braid. So I'll place it because you know, box braid, you have to, when you are box braiding, you have like 3 different strands or 3 different tip to box braid. So I'm going to be placing the extension on 2 sides, and then we'll just leave the natural hair to serve as the third part of the box braid or the third part of the tips, and then I'll just continue box braiding. Hope it makes sense, hope you understand my explanation, but if you don't, just continue to watch the video. So for the hairs, I'm going to be using like 3 different extensions on each strand of the hair. This is so that it can give me like a full look. So I'm going to attach one extension on the tip and one in the middle, and then the last one around the root side, just so that it can be full. And the reason why I am attaching an extension on the tip of the hair is because I do not want her natural tip to just be showing. I want the tip of the hair to have coils. Hope it makes sense. So that's why I'm attaching the extension on the tip of the hair. So yeah, like you guys can see, I'm using the extension to complete the tip of the hair, just like when you are adding extension on any braid. So that's what I'm doing. But basically right now, I'm not going to add more than one extension. I'm just going to add just one extension on the tip of the hair, and then box braid it till the very last part of her natural hair, and then I'm just going to leave it. But if you have like a relaxed hair and you feel like it's going to loosen, you can use some strands of the extension to just tie a knot. You guys already know how to tie a knot when it comes to human hairs or like the French, because this extension is giving like this French kind of vibe, French box braid vibe or French extension vibe. So it's very lush, like very slicky, so you don't have a choice than to use some strands of the extension to tie the knots. Alright, for the crochet part, I will just insert the crochet pin in and out of the box braid, then attach the extension close to the extension, then I'll close the crochet pin, and after that we'll just pull the crochet pin out of the hair to form a loop. And once it forms a loop, I'm going to pass the tip of the extension through the loop to tie a knot. Pretty simple, like very simple. We'll repeat this again on the roots, and yeah, the same process. Like I said before, 3 different extensions or 3 different strands of extension, one on the tip, one in the middle, and one close to the root. So we'll be crocheting the middle part and then the root side. Hope you guys get.
You
So just to show you that you can also install this yourself, she's actually demonstrating how to install it yourself. So this is how she's installing it, to tell you that you can do this yourself at home like a DIY. You can install this hair at home, or you can take it to a salon for them to install for you. And like I said before, all the details of the hair will be in the description box below. So if you are interested in the hair, you can just check the description box below, click on the link to buy. All right, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. At this point, she's going to be showing you guys different styles you can achieve with the hair. So give the video a big thumbs up. Different styles you can achieve with the hair. You can decide to do like a ponytail, or you can decide to style the hair into a side part or a center part or a C part, any style of your choice. So yeah, she just showed you guys how to style the hair, or you can even do half up, half down, like different styles. You can play around with this hairstyle. Like, it's so easy and it's lightweight as well. According to what she said it's so lightweight. So yeah, don't forget to check the description box for more information about the hair. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you're able to learn something from this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share the video to friends and family, and leave any question you have about any of the hairstyles you've seen on this channel. Just let me know in the comment section, or if you want me to film any video or any tutorial, let me know in the comment section. I will do that for you. We'll talk to you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Okay. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.